Have you ever wished you could break up that 10-hour break to fit a customer's schedule? Well, guess what? You can. It's called the Split Sleeper Berth Rule. The Split Sleeper Berth Rule lets you take your 10-hour rest in 2 parts instead of all at once. Here's how it works. The 8-2 split. Take at least 8 hours in the sleeper, then take a separate break of 2 hours. This can be done either off-duty or more sleeper berth time. Together, these 2 breaks must total 10 hours and it will pause your 14-hour clock. The 7-3 split. Take at least 7 hours in the sleeper. Then take a 3-hour break. Again, this can be done off-duty or in the sleeper. Same deal, 10 hours total and it pauses your 14-hour clock. Both options keep you rested, legal, and give you more flexibility behind the wheel. Why should you use the Split Sleeper Berth Rule? Number 1, manage your time better. Let's say your delivery time doesn't quite fit with your hours and you want to avoid rush hour traffic. No problem. You can knock out part of your break when the roads are jammed, then drive when things get cleared up. Number 2, avoid unnecessary delays. If you're almost at your destination, but running out of drive time, use the split. Take a shorter break. Finish the trip, and then catch the rest of your required break after delivery. No need to sit around for a full 10 hours when you're just a few miles away. Number 3, rest when you need it. Don't wait until you're totally out of hours to take a break. If you're tired, take that longer break early, then just finish with a shorter one later. It's all about giving yourself options to stay well rested without the stress. Number 4, more control over the day. You get to choose when and where you want to take each break. That means less pressure and fewer headaches trying to stick to a strict schedule. Just remember, using the Split Sleeper Rule is great for flexibility, but always make sure you're staying within your hours of service limits to avoid any fines or penalties. From my experience as a driver manager, make sure that the longer part of the split is always done in the sleeper berth. Thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one.